deannafenton.me/tribe guide. And that is a step-by-step guide to how to launch a successful and profitable membership site. Checklists, cheat sheets, guides, swipe files, more written style documents that you may want to format. And I think sometimes we all get a little intimidated when we see people that have really, really highly well-designed lead magnets and cheat sheets and things like that. Google's G Suite, and you have Google Drive. You can create Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. So that's what I'm going to share with you. So what I did as an example was I pulled up just a plain old Google Doc. And I'm pretty sure there are add-ons. Yeah, there are add-ons like right here, there's a template gallery. There's a template gallery for your Google Docs. So if you are looking for something, calendars, and you wanted to create a calendar for a 30-day challenge, let's just say, you could use this as your template. And this is free. This is all free stuff. You would want to go in there and obviously edit this and modify it, add your text, etc. But it's free. And you could create something like that really, really easy. The other thing that I wanted to share was something that I think is also kind of underutilized are Google Slides. So you may have PowerPoint. You can use PowerPoint, and you can probably use some of the PowerPoint templates to create a cheat sheet or a guide or some kind of document for your members. Also, again, if you've got Google Drive and you can use the Google Slides, you could use this to format and make maybe a little bit more of your branding with some kind of written guide or template or cheat sheet. Now, if you want to go a little further, and this is also free, but they have a premium level that has more options, there's Canva. And Canva is really, really recommended for creating a lot of these types of templates. So remember I mentioned about calendars, and I'm just going to share with you the same thing with Canva. Is, let's say you were going to create a 30-day meditation challenge or a 30-day membership site creation challenge, right? You can find all these really cool templates for a calendar. Canva is a great source. Canva also has checklists for what I do. I haven't ever found them to be exactly what I'm looking for. And I'm going to show you another tool for checklists. But here are a ton of templates that you could create a checklist. This one's kind of cool. Again, depends on what you're trying to do. So you can use any of these as options for creating a checklist. Now, another one that I really liked that's very, very simple. So this isn't going to be fancy, but it's, again, free, is Checkli. Checkli.com allows you to create a checklist, and you can make it private or you could make it public. And in fact, I was kind of interested to see all of these public checklists that you can take advantage of. 12 tips to get your closet organized and ready for spring. That's one that somebody has made public. An ultimate tech spring cleaning checklist.